Welcome to another quick review from Ultimate DIYer. Guys, we have got a really cool review install video today. We're going to take a look at the LUZHOY, that's L-U-Z-H-O-Y, ceiling fan. Now this is a 36-inch ceiling fan with ABS blades that kind of shape more like a plant blade. It's a really interesting ceiling fan. So what I'm going to do is we are going to unbox this really quickly, and then I'm going to install it, and then we'll see what it actually looks like. So let's do that. Okay, there we go. Now it has a hook here to be able to hook our light on while we wire. Well, that is already attached. We're just going to take it and put it right there to hold. That way we can just take it and wire just like that. There's our neutral. I always start with ground, neutral, and then finish with my hot. That's the way I've always done it, the way I like to do it. This is antenna, this is our sending unit, everything else is wired in here, so we're going to take and just kind of push this down here, just like that, and then twist. Sometimes up here it's a little easier with a screwdriver than the screw gun. You don't want to strip these. Not really. Okay guys, it is installed. This is the remote. We're going to go ahead and turn it on. This is our on. There's your lights. They look fantastic. And it actually has directional keys here for the fan. Let's start with one and just see how it does. There it goes. That's 1, 2. There we go. That's all the way at 6. Now you have timers here, 1 hour, 2 hour, and 4 hour. Let's see what happens if we hit a directional key. Probably, there we go. It's going to stop on that direction and it's going to go back the other way. Let's see. Yep, there we go. It goes the opposite direction. So it does everything from the floor, which is kind of a nice little feature. And it's pretty quiet. So there you go, fully installed, extremely easy. Looked much better in person than the pictures gave it credit for. Even when I got the box and I looked at the box in the beginning, I thought, man, I don't know if I'm going to like this. It seems kind of small or what have you. It didn't seem like it was going to be all that great. Let me tell you, once you get it installed, it looks extremely good. And it installed easier than most ceiling fans I've ever installed. Generally, when you're putting that bell housing up, that's usually where you have the most problem. This one was super, super simple. So a couple things to keep in mind, guys. You're going to have your own bulbs. The bulbs I like to use on a fan like that, especially since it does not have a globe, is going to be something like the Edison bulbs, like these here. Now, these are LED Edison bulbs, so they're not going to burn a lot of power. This is going to be the E26 base, which is what you're going to need to look for no matter what bulb you put in it. And when you go to put these in, put them in gentle. I did notice that they were a little stiff. If you overcrank it, you're going to break your bulbs. So be gentle with it. It's going to actually take probably easier than you think. So get them started, turn on the power, and see if they're making full contact. You're going to know right away. If not, then go back maybe and tighten it a little more. You don't want to break off the base. And keep in mind that when you get your controller, you're not going to have batteries here either. You're going to need to get some AAA batteries, 2 of them, so that you can control this. And when you're trying to figure out what everything does, they give you a really nice card here that tells you everything you need to know on how to control it. And one function I did like on this is I like the fact that I can reverse the direction of the blades with the remote. Most of the time you have to get out a big ladder or, you know, a chair, something where you can reach up there and flip a switch. You don't have to do that with this fan. So it's, you know, that's a good plus. It's also very quiet. I expected it was going to be kind of noisy. It's not. Very quiet, and it really rock and rolls and moves. Now, your instructions you get are a little bit vague on this one, guys. It does not give you a whole lot of instruction on wiring, but wiring is very simple. They have already wired the receiver in for the remote, so it's already in the bell housing. All you have is 2 wires. Technically, you have 3 wires. You have an earth ground, which is going to be green or bare. You will have a white wire, which is your neutral, and you'll have a black wire, which is hot. And in their case, it will be blue to black. So super simple, super quick. You can wire this thing up, get it going, and move on with the rest of your day. Like I said, this fan is probably going to be better for a little bit smaller room. So if you have a smaller area that you're needing to get a fan in, this is going to be fantastic. Now, the room I put it in, this room is probably about 18 by 12, and it still looks great in here and functions, and I can feel it moving the air in this room. So if I was going to rate this on a scale of 1 to 5, guys, I would have to give it 5 stars because it does an amazing job, and it's so much better than the pictures gave it credit for. So if you're looking for a great fan, do yourself a favor, pick yourself up one today. I don't think you'll regret it, and we'll see you guys on the next review.